Hello, welcome everyone. Today in this video I will show you step-by-step guide about how you can use Civit AI website for finding out the best stable diffusion models. So first of all, you need to open the website Civit AI. So I'll just write it down over the Google website and you will get this URL civitai.com. So first of all, you have to open the link. As soon as you open the website, you will get this kind of interface. On the header, you will get multiple options like home button, models, images, videos, articles, shop and much more. As you can see, this is the overall layout of the website. Okay, so here you can see different models that you want to use for your version. Okay, so I will show you how you can use them. So you need to open this model section. Here you will find your stable diffusion model of every kind for almost every kind of category you want. You can use the filter here. Okay, so let's suppose you like this one or this one or this one, and you want to download this for your own project. So you just simply click on the model and here you will get the download button. For downloading this model, you just need to click on this download button and your diffusion model will start download, and then you can use it in your own project. So it was all about how you can use Civit AI for finding out the best stable diffusion models for your project. I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for